Stay tuned to see how I achieve these cute, short, mini spring twists. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am doing another protective style. One of my favorite protective styles to do on myself, spring twist. I do have two other videos doing spring twists. I'll link those up above, but let's get into today's video. So for starters, anytime you're doing a protective style, you want to make sure that your hair is protected underneath. So before we get into the tutorial, I'm gonna show you what I did to prep my hair. And let me apologize in advance for the background noise because there's a lot going on outside my window. But anyway, let's get into it. So I started off shampooing my hair with the Mielle Organics Rice Water Hydrating Shampoo. And then I followed that up with the Babassu and Mint Deep Conditioners, which is one of my favorite protein deep conditioners. So after I shampooed and conditioned my hair, I did the Loc Method, also using Mielle Organics. So I used the Pomegranate and Honey Leave-In Conditioner, the Mint Almond Oil, and then the Curl Smoothie, also from the Pomegranate and Honey line. So I cleansed my scalp, deep condition, and then used the Loc Method to moisturize my hair, put my hair into 4 flat twists, and then I just let it dry throughout the day. So now we are ready for styling. Let's get into it. So I've already started with sectioning off most of my hair. Just have this one section to go. So I am working in small to medium sections. I am doing the rubber band crochet method. So I have pre-soaked my rubber bands in some oil, parting my sections, going in with some of my Let's Jam Condition and Shine Gel Extra Hold. And that's what I'm doing to section off my hair. So I'm gonna continue to do that. Okay, so my hair is now all sectioned off. Again, we're doing small to medium sections. We're doing a side part, but I also have a middle part if I wanted to wear it in middle, just to have a little versatility with the style. So again, we are doing the rubber band crochet method. So I already have my hair sectioned off and I have it rubber band. So I'm just going to use my crochet hook to crochet the hair into my hair, and then I am going to twist it up. Let me show you what the hair looks like. So this is the spring twist hair. It came in a pack of 7 and there are 15 strands in each pack. I'm doing small to medium sections. So the last time I did them, the sections were a little bit bigger. So I did 2 strands. So I'm thinking I could probably use 1 strand, but we're gonna see. Trial and error. So I'm gonna go ahead and start in the back section and I'll be back to show you how I do the front. So stay. Okay, so I have completed about 80% of my head. I did decide to cut the twist in half. So this is what the twist looks like. And it stretches just like naturally curly hair. So I decided to split it in half for a shorter look with the spring twist. So let me show you what I do. First, before I show you what I do, I'm going to show you what it looks like when you twist in the wrong direction, because the biggest mistake that you can make when doing spring twists is twisting the hair in the wrong direction. And I'm gonna show you exactly what I mean. Okay, so I've cut my hair in half. I'm going to insert the crochet hook into my hair. And then I'm gonna take the piece that I cut in half. I'm gonna grab it in the middle and then just run my finger down the middle of the twist to separate it and fluff it out a bit. And then I'm gonna take the twist, put it around my finger so that I can insert it into the hook, close the hook, pull it through. And I'm still holding on to one of the pieces on this side. So I'm only pulling one piece through. So once you pull it through, it should move as so. And then you just want to make sure that it's even. Take my hair in the middle, tighten it up. And then I'm going in with my jam. And I'm going to put that on the length of my actual hair. So here's the spring twist hair. Once you pull it down, it's longer than my hair, but of course, the shrinkage is real. So then you're just gonna split your hair in half, put one piece with one side of the spring twist hair, one piece with the other side. Now this is where it could go wrong. So when you're doing spring twists, you have to twist to the left in order for it to come out right. If you twist to the right, it will not come out right, and I'm gonna show you how that looks. So as you can see, I'm twisting to the right. And it looks like the twist is gonna be okay until I let it go. Grab the end, swirl it around. And once you let it go, this is what you're left with. So this is what happens when you twist to the right. Don't twist to the right. So I'm just going to untwist this. And now we're twisting to the left. So we're twisting, twisting to the left. Again, adding some jam as we go down. Twisting to the left this time. Twist looks similar to how it looked when we twisted to the right, except for when we let it go. It'll look like these and not like the other one just looked. I twisted about 90–95% of the way down. Swirl the end around your finger. And once you let it go, you have your spring twist. So I'm going to show you one more time. Another section. So I'm just pulling another piece out. The hair is already cut. insert the crochet hook. Take the hair. And fluff it a bit. By just running your finger down the middle. Doing that on both sides. So now that our hair is fluffed, fold it in half. Insert it on the hook. Close it. Pull through. And I'm still holding one piece on this side. So I'm only pulling it halfway through. Okay, so once you pull it through, you should be able to move back and forth. We're gonna take our hair that's in the middle, add the jam to the length of our hair to help it blend. Split it in half. Half of our hair with one half of the spring twist hair and the other half with the other. Take it and twist to the left. Turn and twist, turn and twist, making sure you're going to the left. Swirl the end and twist number 2. Okay, so I'm going to continue twisting and I'll be back with the final look, so stay tuned. Okay, we are back and the twists are all done. Absolutely love this quick, simple, and easy protective style. Again, the pack came with 7 packs and there are 15 in each pack. And this is what's left over of the second pack, which means I can get about 3 styles out of 1 pack, which only cost me between $9 and $12. Amazing, right? Check the link in the description box where you can get yours. I'll give you a quick 360, what these spring twists look like. And these are the 8-inch spring twists. I cut them in half and I did them in small to medium sections using the rubber band crochet method. Absolutely love this simple and easy protective style. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.